His sullen children have often refused to share jokes and secrets with him. Sullen means what? Bad tempered. Okay, the children are with bad tempered. They don't pay attention to their father. Okay, they don't have any difference whether the father is there in the house or not. They just don't want to talk. They just hate him. They don't love him. They don't respect him as a father. They don't respect. They don't talk to him. They are very bad tempered children. They often always they neglect him, never share their jokes and secret. He will now go to sleep. So as because no one is interested to talk to him, now the father will go to sleep because he is too much tired. Listening to the static on the radio, dreaming of his ancestors and grandchildren. He's listening the music. He wanted to listen the music on the radio, but late at night now there is nothing on the radio also. There are just something board program or information on the radio. So he's just listening to that and going to sleep, dreaming of his ancestors. Ancestors matlab purvaj. Thinking, dreaming of his ancestors and grandchildren. The ancestors on which the father is proud of, and his grandchildren that will come. He is dreaming of his future life, that when he will become retired and when he will have his grandchildren, he will become more happy at that time, and he will be proud that his generation is going ahead. Again, he has grandchildren, so he will again feel like life with full of life. He'll feel like that. Thinking, dreaming of his ancestors and grandchildren, thinking of nomads entering a subcontinent through a narrow pass. Thinking of nomads. Nomads means what? It's a on the in the tribal area. The particular people society is moving from place to place. They don't remain on the same place. They don't live on the same place. They move from place to place. Those tribal people are called nomads. So he's also like nomads. He's also coming and going every day to the office. Again, he's every day is traveling along, and half of his life goes in the travel only, his journey only. He's never in the house. So many important moments he have missed. Many important moments he have missed. His the pleasures, the good functions, the pleasures, the festivals, maybe many things his father have missed. And because the his family, his children, they have the habit of their father never the father's absence. They have the habit of their father's absence, so they don't care about him. They never care about him. They never think about him. They never take care, and they never talk to him. So he's like a nomad, going and coming and just living there, coming there for a night. Then again at the early morning he has to move for the office. Again he will come at late at night when all children are slept. And so in this way his life is going on. He never gets the holidays, and he has to uh, work extra. So like that, the father is always thinking of others, lots of responsibilities, and still he just love his children. He just love his family. He want to protect them from every trouble, from every problem, from every disaster. He will do anything for them, and he will just sacrifice. He had sacrificed all his happiness, all his interest, hobbies, and everything to his children, because he want because he always the father always want to see his children growing up, getting success, becoming a big shot, and getting their life settled. So that is the thing that his father want, every father wants, and for that only he is doing hard work. because at that time, because when he has all these responsibility, he never thinks of himself. The father never thinks of himself. The father is always just neglecting himself. So actually, it is the duty of the children that they should take care of him. They should love him, respect him, take care of their father. Ask him whether if he is very tired. Speak to him. When you speak to your father, he feels very happy. He feels that no, someone is there that is taking care of me, that is loving me, and whatever I am doing is not going wasted. So that feeling will come in the father, and then he will get extra energy because of that, because of your love, your care. So as a child of your father, take care of your father. Please don't neglect him. Talk to him. Even though if he is looking very tired, he's looking like he's very disturbed or angry sometimes, maybe because yes, he has so many things in his head at the same time. So you have to understand your father as you take care of your mother. Yes, you should take care of your mother, but father is equally important because yes, he is the person who is taking making your life very easy and comfortable, your future, thinking about your future. So don't your father is not expecting more thing from you. Just love him, take care of him, speak with him, and tell him some things, that tell him about yourself, that he will feel very happy. Tell him about your friends, your classes, your homework. And if he's too much tired, then you can see few words and then you can go to sleep. So not much the father is expecting here. So Dilip Chitre is very beautifully described the condition of father. There is a very beautiful poem in Marathi on father written by Sandeep Khare in the album आयुष्यावर बोलू काही. So you may have heard the song, this poem. um, जो भी मराठी स्टूडेंट्स होंगे उन्होंने सुना होगा शायद, और अगर नहीं भी सुना है तो मैं ये डाल देती हूँ मराठी पोएम, दमलेल्या बाबांची कहाणी. ऐसा वो टाइटल है, दमलेल्या बाबांची कहाणी. सो सेम, इट इज़ द सेम, फादर रिटर्निंग होम एज द फादर इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम द ऑफिस. तो फादर को क्या लगता होगा, ये उस पोएम में दिया है. जब छोटा अपना खुद का बच्चा अपने खुद के बच्चे को बढ़ते हुए कभी वो देख नहीं पाता है. पूरे पूरे वेरी ब्यूटीफुली डिटेल्स से वो लिखी हुई है पोएम. तो आई विल शेयर यू द पोएम डेफिनेटली विथ यू टुडे. फर्स्ट यू लिसन टू दिस ऑडियो and then you definitely listen to the poem. The poem is sung by Salil Kulkarni and music also given by him and written by Sandeep Khare. Very beautiful poem is written, and you will definitely you can compare that poem with Father Returning Home. ये poem से वो poem definitely compare कर सकते हो आप. फ़र्क इतना ही है कि वो जो मराठी की पोएम है वो नरेशन उसका कौन करता है, खुद फादर. ओके, फादर इज़ नरेटिंग इन दैट पोएम. लेकिन हमारे पोएम में फादर रिटर्निंग होम में नरेटर कौन है? यस, नरेटर है एक एक कॉमन common child or common son or the daughter, maybe the poet is has written. So we will also go in deep afterwards. I will give you the appreciation, and if you have any doubt regarding the words or any concept, any line, please write it, share it in our group. You can ask there anyone, any line, any doubt, any word. We will discuss it definitely. Okay, now I will stop it here today. Thank you.